Alright, I got the brush back. I'll show it in action. This is the first time using it, you can see. That's what the filter looks like. Nothing special. Alright, let's see what this supposed quiet operation sounds like. So obviously first one is bare floor. Oh wow, it is pretty quiet. I can feel it clamping to the carpet too. Ah, it's like it kicks up to a higher speed for carpet. So it's pretty impressive. It is pretty quiet. It's interesting how it kicks up to a higher speed for carpet, but Hoovers were kind of, I mean, that's almost a return to some of the convertibles when they would switch to a higher speed for tools, but you can really feel it sticking to my carpets, and these are incredibly hard carpets to clean. They're just super dense and pretty deep, and most vacuums have a real hard time, and it kind of brought the pile up a little bit. I'm not expecting a ton from this, but I think I'm going to do a video this against the flare power nozzle I have and see. Obviously the flare is better, but just to show it for shits and giggles, I guess. Alright, so stay tuned for that. I hope you enjoyed.